Hi everyone, my name is Jennifer French and I'm coming to you from the Yoga Sanctuary in downtown Punta Gorda, Florida. And today we'll be looking at a short and simple sequence that moves from the mountain pose or Tadasana. So often when I go into my own yoga room at home and I'm doing my own morning practice, I start standing in the mountain pose and then I start moving from that place. So I'd like to show some ways that you might do that on your own. Very simple, fairly short little practice just to get you moving in the morning. So if you'd like to join along, let's start. First thing that we're going to do is find the mountain pose. So let's bring our hands to our hips and start to shift from your right foot to your left foot. And you'll notice that I took my feet kind of apart and then I'm going to bring them back towards each other. What we're looking for is that perfect little distance between your feet where you feel stable and supported. And then at the same time, we're looking for our feet to be pretty much parallel to each other. So oftentimes you'll hear people say, bring your feet together. It's not necessary. You'll notice now that I'm going from the mounds of my toes to my heels. I'm shifting back and forth. Really just want to feel my feet on the ground beneath me. So then we'll come to a place of stillness. You can let your arms release if you still have your hands on your hips. And then go ahead and close your eyes. Now, as you close your eyes, you'll really be able to tune in to where your feet are on the ground. Can you feel the center of both heels, the mounds of your big toes and the mounds of your little toes? Notice if you're shifting from right foot to left foot, from the front of your foot to the back of your foot, inner or outer foot. Always moving just a little bit, looking for our center, looking for balance. And as you find yourself getting closer and closer to that place of center and balance, maybe that movement gets a little less noticeable. And we find stillness. And as you find that stillness, let yourself just pause here for a moment in the mountain pose, in Tadasana. Your feet press into the earth. Your legs strong and stable. We're lifting up through our spine, all the way up through the crown of the head. And as you feel the stability within, bring your awareness to your breath. Let's take just a few breaths here together. Nice, slow, easy breaths. And whenever it is that you happen to inhale next, let your eyes float open and your arms lift up. And when you come to your exhale, bring just your right arm down beside you and give a little side bend to the right. Reach through your left fingers. Inhale, come back up to center, lift that arm. And as you exhale, lower your left arm down and take a little side bend off to the left. Inhale, come back up to center. Exhale, lower your arms down. Inhale, again, take both arms up. This time as you exhale, let's reach both arms to the right. As you inhale, come back to center. Exhale, reach both arms to the left. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, lower both arms down. Inhale again, both arms lift. Exhale, reach to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale, reach to the left. Inhale, center. This time when you exhale, hinge at your hips and fold forward. Your knees might bend as you come forward. Let your hands touch whatever you reach. As you inhale, glide your chest forward to a half fold, and on your exhale, let your fold deepen. We'll inhale all the way back up, lifting our arms. Exhale, lower your arms down. Let's try that again. Inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, reach to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale, reach to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, hinge at your hips, fold forward. Let your knees bend a bit as you fold. Inhale, glide your chest forward. You'll come to a half fold. Exhale, let your fold deepen. Inhale, rise back up, lift your arms. Exhale, lower your arms down. Let's add a little something else to this. Inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, reach to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale, reach to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, come to a half fold. As you exhale, let your fold deepen. Now with your inhalation, bend your knees, sink back into your hips, and take your arms up. We're in what we call the chair pose. Heels are nice and grounded, hips are nice and heavy. Inhale, let's now straighten our legs, reach up, lift up, and arch gently back. Exhale, lower your arms down. Do that one more time. Inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, reach right. Inhale, center. Exhale, reach left. Inhale, center. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale to a half fold. Exhale, let your fold deepen. Inhale, bend your knees, settle into your heels, into your hips as you lift your torso and arms. Pause as you exhale. Take a full breath. And with an inhalation, we'll straighten our legs, reach up, lift up, arch gently back. Exhale, lower your arms down. Pause here for a breath. Good. With your next inhalation, let's take our arms back up. And as you exhale, you'll reach right. Inhale, center. This time, exhale, bring your arms into what we call a cactus position. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, reach left. Inhale, center. Again, exhale your arms into a cactus position. So you hold here. We'll pull our arms back on our inhale. And on your exhale, turn to your right. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, turn to your left. Inhale, back to center. Reach up with your arms. And as you exhale, hinge at your hips and fold forward. Inhale, come to a half fold. Exhale, let your fold deepen. Inhale, bend your knees, sink into your hips. We rise to the chair pose. We'll pause as we exhale. This inhale, we'll straighten our legs, reach up, lift up, arch back. Exhale, lower your arms down. Good, we'll add a little bit more to that. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, reach to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale, elbows into cactus position. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, reach to the side. Inhale, center. Exhale, cactus arms. Inhale, pull back. Exhale, turn right. Inhale, center. Reach up. Exhale, cactus arms. Inhale, pull back. Nice open chest. Exhale, turn left. Inhale, center, reach up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, half fold. Exhale, let your fold deepen. Inhale, chair pose. Hold your chair pose and bring your arms into the cactus position. As your arms come into the cactus position, pull back with your elbows. With your next exhale, might you turn a bit to the right. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, turn a bit to the left. Inhale, back to center. Reach your arms up. And exhale, fold forward once again. Inhale, half fold. Exhale, let your fold deepen. Inhale, this time simply rise all the way up, reach up and arch back. this exhalation, bring your hands together right in front of your heart and pause here for breath. And come to release your arms down. So that is just a little exploration of ways that you can move from the mountain pose. It's a short practice. It's a little bit challenging at times with our chair pose and with our twists, but hopefully it felt pretty good and a little invigorating for you. And if you like that and you'd like to see more of these kinds of things, please give us a thumbs up, maybe drop a comment below. That's really helpful if you do that. And subscribe to our channel. Hope to see you soon. Thanks so much. Be well.